Electric skateboards have become increasingly popular with technological advances and urbanization. Not only are they portable, but they are also very convenient to use. Here's a look at some of the best electric skateboards available today. Now let's get started. At number 1, RazorX Electric Skateboard. The RazorX Sport is one amazing skateboard with all the right features and quality that comes at a great price. With a lithium-ion powered electric skateboard designed to zoom, you can put fun on cruise control. The new RazorX Cruiser is an electric skateboard that puts the power of a 125-watt geared motor in the palm of your hand and beneath your feet. Variable speed control makes it easier to get into and out of skating by letting riders change their riding speed at any moment by pressing forward or pulling back on the control stick. The RazorX Cruiser is a full cruiser that employs a revolutionary, geared, rear-wheel drive motor and lithium-ion battery to produce exciting skate action at speeds up to 10 miles per hour for up to 40 minutes of continuous usage. It features the quality, safety, service, and style that Razor is known for. At number 2, SKATEBOLT Electric Skateboard. It is a useful tool for commuters going to school, job, or on a short excursion. The superior absorption of SKATEBOLT POO wheels implies that they can lessen the bumps and discomfort caused by vibration when riding. The board can travel up to 24 miles on a single charge thanks to a 7500 mAh lithium battery. The downhill safety brake on the SKATEBOLT allows you to comfortably stop at any moment, even at peak speed, and ensures your safety to a large extent. This skateboard has brushless dual 350W motors that deliver steady power and a peak speed of 26 miles per hour. It is strong enough to go everywhere and can readily overcome slopes and hills of up to 25%. We feel that is exactly what SKATEBOLT can provide you with, as well as a more convenient and mobile lifestyle. At number 3, Teamgee Electric Skateboard. The Teamgee H5 37" electric skateboard is worthy of its widespread appeal. With its 12mm ultra-thin deck and 14.6-pound weight, the Teamgee H5 will make you question if you're looking at an electric skateboard at all. The batteries are compact and light, so they blend with the deck and make the board more portable for commuting. After ignition, the 760W dual motor equipment soon reaches 22 miles per hour in the fast mode. The 90mm POO wheel evenly distributes weight for improved riding stability and grip. When taking on difficult tasks, gives you security. This electric skateboard was capable of climbing hills as steep as 20 degrees on mild slopes. Carry up to 220 pounds of passengers for a smooth, pleasant trip. You may use this skateboard to get around your flat, cruise around college, explore places, and even conduct errands. The batteries are compact and light, so they blend with the deck and make the board more portable for commuting. The built-in batteries also give the device a nice, tidy look. At number 4, ECOMOBL Electric Skateboards. A true off-roader, it is powered by two strong 2000-watt 63mm brushless planetary gear motors that readily accelerate to 30 to 35 miles per hour. The low center of gravity of the double drop-down board allows for improved control, and the 15-inch wide trucks add to the stability. All accessories components are made of aerospace-grade aluminum, including the trucks, motor cover, hubs, gears, and truck base. You may ride it at any time of day or night. The illumination range of the headlight is 10 to 15 meters. The latest features of the screen remote control include set road speed, cruise control, distance and driving. At number 5, COOL&FUN Electric Skateboard. This amazing electric skateboard has a smooth ride and is easy to transport. You may enjoy the view whenever and wherever you choose with this portable electric skateboard with a remote. For rookie to experienced riders, switch easily, accelerate, brake, forward and backward, 3-speed options. The 27.5-inch electric longboard can go up to 7.5 miles and climb up to a 15% grade hill with ease. Powerful and cost-effective motor, in 2 hours, the electric skateboard will be fully charged. The maximum load on a composite layers deck is 200 pounds. High-quality POO wheels provide excellent grip and a smooth ride. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe and comment.